n naught n minus 1. Okay. So Zn, what is this Zn? How coming 0 to n minus 1? Meaning, if you will choose Z4, then 0, 1, 2, 3 elements will come. Will come, no? Why 4 not coming? Why 5 not coming? Why 6 not coming? Why 7 not coming? Why minus 1 not coming? Why minus 2 not coming? Or only 0, 1, 2, 3 why coming? 0.22, 0.3, root 2 why not coming? Root 5 why not coming? This is our doubts in mind running. That Z4 why containing 0 to 1 to 0, 1 to 3? Why not containing root 2? Why not containing root 3? At first, Z is our set of integer, correct? Under addition operation. Zn, no? For Zn, you have to read first. Our operation is same operation. For Zn also binary composition is additional. Because both are same. This is set of integer. This is set of integer. Modulo n. Zn you can't write normally. You have to write here mod n. Mod n understanding. Modulo n. This is called. Modulo n means this is one type of operation. Always we tell that don't cross n. If any x have, if you are using modulo n here in x, so here whatever will come, that is the remainder, you have to divide x by n and the remainder value have to write. So remainder is always less than n will come. Suppose 10 I am choosing, modulo I will tell 3, 10 modulo 3. You have to divide 3, 10 by 3, remainder will come 1. So 10 modulo 3 is 1. Suppose 12 have modulo 2, then remainder is 0. Sometime asking in negative, minus 5 modulo 3. So when negative coming, no little confusion coming. Hereafter how we will divide? Because positive okay, divide the remainder right, I got. Minus how we will divide? So no problem. This is all equal to values. We are telling this is congruence. Finally we are writing that x congruence r mod n. R is the remainder value where we will divide x by n. So both are same. Equal to we can't write. X equal to r we can't write. 10 equal to 0 we can't write. But 10 equal to 0 only we can write when I will write mod 2, otherwise mod 5. Because after divide 0 will come. So both are same only at mod 2 or mod 5. Also our standard notation equal to we are not writing. Normally behavior calculating okay, answer marks coming fast. But standard concept is you have to write equivalence sign, congruence sign. Equal to you can't write. Any interviews going IITs and all, they will mark this only. You are writing equal to or congruence sign. They will ask why we can't write equal to. Why we are writing congruence. This and all they will catch and they will ask with you. Our BSc, MSc, this and all not important, but this is important in research. So, minus we are discussing. Minus 5 coming means how we will find? Don't fear. 5 have no, minus you delete. 5 divided by 3, 2. 2 you write. This minus again you write here. Equal to no minus on both sides. We are doing no positive on both sides, square on both sides. Congruence also we can do same. We can put a square both sides. We can add both sides. Everything we can do. But under modulo n we have to do. After a square, if modulo n crossing means again we will divide. Understanding? So everything we can do equal to type. So here minus 2 came, but again modulo 3 have no. Minus 2 came. We won't leave hereafter. We want modulo 3 means we want all positive value less than 3. Means we want 1 or 2 or 0. Remainder this only will come. But here remainder coming minus 2. So when actually we will divide means this is under mod 3 came but negative hai. So when under mod 3 will come, after that we will add minus 2 plus 3 1. So minus 5 modulo is 1, add mod 3. Correct? No need to fear. How we will divide minus? Minus 7, not 7, minus 45 I will write. Modulo 6. So first you divide 45 by 6. What will come remainder? 3. So 3 you dot minus you write later. Hereafter under 6 came no, only minus hai, but under 6 came. Means hereafter we can think very easy. Hereafter whatever minus 3 hai, but 6 only you add. 6 minus 3, minus 3 plus 6 is 3. So minus 45 modulo 6 is 3. Finished. This is the modulo work. This modulo only working in Zn. Zn also set of integer only, but under modulo I. Set of integer what is? All infinite. Here minus infinite going, there positive infinite going, but points are all isolated. Means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, plus infinite here going, here minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus infinite 2. Correct? You see, we will prepare from Z4. Z4 preparing means modulo 4 have to use. Okay? So come, we will write Z4 elements. First I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I will write. 4 modulo 4 is 4 modulo 4 0. 5 modulo 4 6 modulo 4 7 modulo 4 8 modulo 4 9 modulo 4 10 modulo 4 11 modulo 4 12 modulo 4 repetition no 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 negative you come minus 1 modulo 4 just add minus 2 modulo 4 minus 3 modulo 4 minus 4 modulo 4 minus 5 modulo 4 again will repeat. This 0 1 2 3 only will repeat Z4 elements. So Z4 writing 0 1 2 3 you have to use modulo 4. Z5 element you will write modulo 5. Z6 element modulo 6. Just only will repeat. So Zn elements means 0 to n minus 1 complete under modulo n, this will repeat always. So Zn containing only 0 to n minus 1. Understood everybody?